Enti enano f00l in relation to a post you made about an hour ago, you say I have long dismissed the Ghana Bar Association as an MPP grouping. If it were not so, the intolerable abuse of this judge by the minority leader would have elicited an immediate, uncompromising response. They have been known to respond quickly to far less offensive commentary by non-NPP members. Alas, one of their own, an MPP lawyer, has a...
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagana and some TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notifications. Said that next time, videos of this nature about so submit to my cabinet, watch their wagon or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President, maybe whom you from Mr. President, I major also, who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also, who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir, Kwarkye baby, agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use John and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. They were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu idi. Ya many am for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Umbo mi amade ene sa sembe few. Now once again, me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanya sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne ya amanya sem nye print ne amanya sem. De wo ye bia no, wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be ye wo yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye once I have an opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Enti enano f00l in relation to a post you made about an hour ago, you say I have long dismissed the Ghana Bar Association as an MPP grouping. If it were not so, the intolerable abuse of this judge by the minority leader would have elicited an immediate, uncompromising response. They have been known to respond quickly to far less offensive commentary by non-NPP members. Alas, one of their own, an MPP lawyer, has abused a judge, so they have been loudly silent. What insufferable duplicity. Honorable Nawe, enye muamu MPP and this politics now will transfer the Ako GBA for us.
Oh, well,
yes.
Now, we know, I said, as somebody a can, no more kind this MPP woman. That's a more about to judge. Obedient to me, can MPP in this moment in Gigi. Because, and you can go back. Say, ye can't amanukua. I suffer historical judicial hostility at NDC. Let me about 30 different examples of things. Now, we name it. And yes, I produce in a better here. There's no political party that has benefited from judicial bias as in MPP. At least since the year 2000 and now 2001, under the Abemu, they have done everything to skew judicial pronouncements in their favor. Yeah, NDC for we've endured it all this while. Almost Abemu and Sayano, can't be a few more tends to create the impression that suddenly the entire judicial system and that assembly comma or more. It simply means they say particular judges are politicians in Tinamoyaka. I thought you know me. I am on record. Some particular case involving Abronye. I am on record to have publicly disagreed with the judge. Abra judge ruling say, and there was a portion of the judge ruling or can say Abronye is not equal to others, and after a person say some people are more equal than others. No. I publicly said that was a very bizarre pronouncement. Any say Jina, it's a very own Abronye. In fact, me can't an Abronye probably did the matem. But I still insisted that the judge had not treated Abronye fairly, despite all the political disagreements. I have also said, me, as far as I'm concerned, that Obin Kasemwa, a day you never bread judge be, and I said, a better change judge life, and now a day basa ye na atoto yaso nwe asia nipa no enisi edin ko dina court and say edin ko tifiase. That is my belief. I'm very liberal on that principle. I won't support anybody being sent to jail for merely criticizing a system, either judicial, executive, or legislative. But there's a difference between disagreeing with a judge, pointing out aspects of law, which is a judge, when so, and I say, judge, what from, and I am rare, and then one fine year, Juma, and I say, where you attention. And directly abusing a judge in a manner that Honorable Finyamarkin did. And indeed, Honorable Finyamarkin, and I've told him that he went way too far in some kind, because apart from having the freedom to criticize the judge, there's a recourse. You can go to a superior court to set aside judge ruling and audience.
That's true.
And it has been done many, many times in Ghana. But to set a judge aside, single him out, and say you disrespect him, you disrespect, that is way too much. That is frontal abuse of a particular judge. Now, the M1 say, Ghana Bar Association. You see, for many years, position I'm there to get I've held it many times. And the first time, and I'll continue to say it. Okay? This is an association in 2008.
Asempa f00l.
The president, and if you knew something, if you could not so, because he criticized the judge who jailed C0rt. For criticizing the judge for jailing C0rt, almost two president are there so. President Mama, there were many instances in the opposition. They criticized the judiciary. They were quick to come out to denounce him. In fact, in one instance there, almost on a platform, Emma both Attorney General Gofedami, any President Akufo-Addo, Emma attacking President Mama for expressing disquiet about judicial outcomes. Yet, as someone at Kwarkye, totally abusing the judge, Mama Komanuatu, they remain silent, deathly silent, as someone says. Oh yes, Anna, you are abusing public confidence in the association, because for many years, the posture they've adopted, they say, first of all, they defend the judiciary, and I feel so. Matters relating to human rights violations that they are so
yes.
In fact, about 30 years ago, Greater Accra Regional Branch of Ghana Bar Association, lawyers at Greater Accra, they withdrew their services because the Supreme Court held one of their members in contempt for attacking the judiciary. They've done all of this in the past. Yet, people also they are not common to see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. If I think what they have done is unprincipled, and that they need to be called out. I see a man no clear at that one. They did to the way the Ghana Bar Association operates is not fair, it's not balanced. If they are a partisan association, so then there's no public expectation of them to perform any function beyond supporting the MPP. But there's no say, a f00l, I can't send the and Tampana no be a thing. I can say to any panel, I condemn. But when it involves the MPP, no much they drag their feet. Okay, Obi, I told me as I know. That narrative announcing MPP before they back and trying to create the impression that suddenly there's some abuse of freedoms and that the judiciary suddenly is in bed with the NDC. No, I didn't want to go back to record these instances. But MPP, Martin, no Martin in our common. What did they not do to people who express themselves and the MPP? Meno Kasesonim said, Bobi Ansa used to host program now, who hosted this year.
Yes.
In 2021 or 2022, Bobi Ansa Koka said, a year, 10 First Lady, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, and Vice President at the time, Stamina Baumia, Omakwaje Asasibu or Cantonments Sahano Moody Sidani. Because of that, Bobi Ansa was picked up and taken to court. Make us say the matter is still in court. The matter is still in court. Say. Tell me bongo ideas.
Me no.
Abraham Tebi or what with that?
Sure.
Okay, can cancel. Or can't send the family. This Rebecca Akufo-Addo. On the they didn't take him to court. They kidnapped him for days. State security, they kidnapped him for days for saying something about the first lady at the time. Mensa Thompson, Okoka said, on my pedima at the presidential jet is too kind. And then on my Oman was only G3t, Uncle Shaban Kukum. And I could go on and on and on and on for the things that they did to people who express views in this country. How is it that suddenly, almost the same and Mana, then suddenly they are insulting and attacking judges? Obi, were they not sentenced to 4 months imprisonment for abusing judges?
Yes.
For abusing judges. The owner of Radio Good at the time, Mr. Atuahwe, and now on the baby, he didn't even know who was appearing on his program that day. You buy one for a fine of 30,000 cities because of a seven kind of radio stations. And yet, before no more say, Oklahoma say, Adia, court near any at the papa. Did they not jubilate over it? Among condemned those of us who insisted, say, the sentence was a bit excessive. Among condemned. It's no cranning and you can young people complain. Tell you, of course, another part. Me, I've told you, say, I don't believe to be cast some f00l that necessarily should lead to prosecution and after imprisonment, unless it breaches the peace and after it threatens the life of the individual concerned. But can the people say same? What is their position? Last week was about my issue statement. Claiming say free speech is being criminalized. Abra Nigeria Obika Nigeria wants someone. Yachi Nipano make us say assembly court will be answered. What was Dr. Bamia's position? Sabi Oka So in all fairness and honesty, can you say then before can a genuine? So we need to be fair. Now, more journalists, I say, I said, by an NDC, not any NDC MPP. I said, I think no matter that, all complaining. Did you not file a case and within 2 hours, the full panel of the Supreme Court have assembled? That's a mediation in Ghana. Are there no cases? Aqua Quarter, we in the NDC have expressed reservations about them. And before still say it was right. So for as long as courts rule, there will be disagreements. But nobody can frontally disrespect a judge in the manner that Asenoma did. Ghana Bar Association, they cannot not too. Because there are people in society here, they have less responsibility. Who have been punished. Or he never ban or represent our XYZ TV. Or what can I say? Nana Akufo-Addo appointed Supreme Court to the MPP for. Kofedame cited him for contempt at the High Court. I made me to refuse 14 days, 2 weeks. Obi, I can't make a boy.
Yeah, but honorable, I mean, all the instances now, one manner. There were instances at the NDC that in opposition complained about, based on which the NDC promised to reset this country. Resetting, in my understanding, means you do something materially different from what you complained about. If you do the same things and I reset, now or justification is MPP for also that is some way. And
Obi, Attorney General Governor Dominic Ayini, or you be a court, a prosecution. President of Fedame, for saying anything against the judiciary. Says about power. No,
sir, Attorney General delegated power, so they become a police, and the police are prosecuting people.
Question. But you see,
yes,
a judge, the assembly, not the judge rules, president of the country, Attorney General, cannot say, said my judge and enforce it. William said, in a Abonye case, the prosecution actually opposed one of the denials of bail, and yet the judge went ahead to remand Abonye. So you must speak to that. So that it doesn't create the impression, say, the MPP before, There are instances also where members of the public have complained about what some have said about them. There's an instance of a journalist, of a BB, a former NCA board chairman, only a member of this government went to complain